And today, I'm going to show you guys, well, I'm not going to make it, but somebody else is. What are we making?
We're making chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo. What's going on, guys? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and we are here with my niece, Metci.
Ooh.
See? And we're learning how to make chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
So what are you doing right now?
First, you have to wash the chicken just to make sure there are no germs or bacteria. I'm just cutting them in two because they're quite big for their size right here. Wait, baby.
Okay, so after those are cut, we'll be back.
So now we are going to prepare the onions. I'll use half because this is big. And this will make the adobo sweet. So I'm just going to cut it.
That's just a red onion?
Yeah, red onion. I mean, you can use the white or yellow. I don't know what you call that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can use that. So I'm just cutting it.
So you don't have to cube it, just cut it up like that? It's fine?
Just cut it up like this.
Okay.
Some, like, I mean, I grew up... Wait!
Okay, how much garlic are you putting in this?
Well, it depends. So I have a lot. I'm going to make all of that. Or maybe I can divide it in two. I can make fried chicken.
No, let's make the whole thing.
Okay. And then, so I crush it. Or I will crush it. Yes, that's how we do it. And then
Peel the skin.
peel the skin. But some, you know, like when I was growing up, my dad would include the skin.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I guess once it's cooked, you wouldn't notice it, would you?
Yeah. And I actually learned that here that I need to remove the skin.
Why? Because people get a little freaked out about
Yeah, I was like, oh, what is that? Wait, baby ko. We're teaching Uncle David how to cook adobo, chicken adobo, famous. What? My eyes. Okay.
Oh.
So now,
Metci's eyes are all watering because of onions and all that.
so we're going to put some oil just to saute, I don't know, saute.
Saute the garlic?
The garlic.
Okay.
Well, you're supposed to wait till it's hot, but then I got too excited, so I place it there. And then, as soon as the what do you call it? The garlic's like a little bit
soft
and brownish in color.
Okay.
Then you can add the onions. So we have the onions here. So now I can see that it's... Sorry, baby. Wait.
Somebody wants to cook.
Yeah, she wants to stir the... Okay, let's get you your cherry.
That's bribery.
There you go. Okay, there you go. No.
Oh!
No? She knows what she's doing. Okay, so now I can smell it. Ah, good, delicious. And now you can put the onions.
No way, you just throw those until they're soft?
Yes.
Okay. Now, somebody else likes to stir. Professional chef in training.
With pacifier on. I think it's gonna fit.
So tell me, what did you say about the onions and the garlic?
Okay, yeah, so...
Some people leave it till it's kind of brown.
Yes.
And you don't...
For me,
you don't like to because it gives more flavor.
Yes, so I'm gonna put... I just wanna make sure that... Wait, baby ko. Wait, love ko.
Somebody wants to help out with cooking, and she's upset. Because she was stirring,
She was
and yeah, no more stirring.
no more stirring.
That's a lot of chicken.
Okay, maybe that.
Okay, you let that simmer for a little while. Why?
And then because if you put the lid on, the water will come down. I don't want any water in yet.
Oh, so you're trying to burn off the
Yeah,
humidity.
like you know the steam.
Okay.
Yeah. So just let it do its course, and I'm just going to make sure that you don't have any burn.
Nothing sticking or anything.
Yeah.
So this isn't too hard to do, actually.
No.
Somebody wants to help again.
Okay.
Look at this. Yep, budding chef. Now that it's kind of brown, with the so bit like that. What's the next step, Metci? Oh,
Then we have to put this.
and how long do you usually let it sit for?
Usually I put it in like 5 minutes.
And that's it?
That's it, 5 minutes, and then I have to add more.
Add more what?
Secret seasoning. Coming up.
Oh, okay.
Coming up.
Secret seasoning.
Yes. Watch out. Watch out. Okay, so there you go. Voila.
And so you just give it a little stir?
Yeah, so you just have to give it a little stir. And then, as you can see, or if you can smell it.
I can smell it.
So good.
Okay, so wait a second. So how long does it take to make?
I would
So
say.
you keep stirring it every 5 minutes?
No, so this is it. That's
Okay.
the covering. So
And then
now
you just leave it?
I'll put the seasoning now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so some people they put like measure it, but for me,
Okay, what is this?
It's a soy sauce.
Okay,
So this is a soy sauce.
okay.
Okay, and so I put this based on.
So you give it quite a
Yep.
shot. Okay.
And then this is vinegar,
Just like plain white vinegar?
plain white vinegar.
Okay.
Okay, so give it like that.
Wow. That's a lot again.
It is. And then pepper, black pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a fair amount too, and I guess it's to taste.
Yep, that's for to taste.
It's a fair amount. Okay.
Okay. And then I usually add just a little bit of water. I'd say this much.
So you add, what would that be? Half a cup?
Probably, yeah.
Half a cup of water. Oh, so you're steaming it down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm just going to
Mix it all up.
Yep. Okay. And later, so once, because I see that there's not a lot of soy sauce, so what I'm going to do, I will add more.
So what do you see by the color of the
By
water?
the color of the water.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to add just a little bit more. Because I don't want it too sour. Okay.
It's hard to get a color of that, but I'd say it's a kind of a gravy brown.
Yeah. And you will need. I should have prepared this.
It's a big container of spices.
Yes.
What is this?
Bay leaves.
Okay.
Okay. So you put, maybe I'll put 4.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's, or 4.5.
Oh,
There.
can you really taste bay leaves?
Yes. Yes.
So if you left it out, you would notice the
Oh,
difference.
yeah.
Okay.
And then let it cook for, let it sit for probably, I would say, 10 minutes. And
So 10 minutes.
yeah, and then you can come and check every now and then. You can stir and everything. So we'll be right back. Now, as you can see, it's boiling.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Wow.
And you can smell the bay leaves.
That smells delicious. Oh, I can smell it.
So now I have to stir it.
So okay, Metci stirred it a couple times
Yeah.
in between, but is it near the end now?
Yeah, it's almost the end because as you see, like the meat, they're falling off. So you see here.
Okay.
So that.
So as soon as it starts to kind of fall away from the bone, it's
Yeah.
okay.
And then so I'm just gonna make sure.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting here licking my lips.
I just want to make sure that it's being distributed properly.
So you get all the flavor.
And then leave it for, I would say,
What do you leave it with the lid off?
Oh no, actually with the lid on.
Oh, okay, okay.
5 to 10 minutes.
I'm just checking to see if it's cooked and then.
Yeah.
Okay. Metci's giving it a little check.
Yeah, just to check. I know like the
that
meat
smells so good.
is cooked because you can see it. Maybe a few more minutes.
Okay. What did you just tell me?
So some people they prefer their adobo to get like dry or to it's like a dried adobo, but for me I want the little sauce. So I'm
So what do you mean? What would they do? They boil that down till it's nothing?
Yeah, they boil it down. And
But wouldn't that just turn the chicken kind of mushy?
Yeah, mushy and everything. So now I will stop this because this is the right adobo for me. And as you can see, the sauce is like, ooh, sticky. There you go. There you go. So let's enjoy our food. So this is the outcome. It's deliciously good. And I mean,
How do you eat it?
Filipinos eat it like we have to get,
So you put a little rice.
yeah, some rice, and then just put it on the side, or you can put it on
No.
top. Either or, like that.
And so you just pull off.
Yeah.
Oh, so you put the sauce right on. Okay.
And there you go.
And that's it. And then just pull the meat off the bone.
Yes.
And away you go.
The way you go.
Okay. Well, I'm going to get into it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's watching. Okay. So I mixed all mine up. Gonna have a little rice, which I poured some of the sauce on. Metci, get in here. Metci's just, she's way ahead of me because she's know what she's doing. I don't. Yeah.
Oui.
Okay, here we go.
Verdict.
Yeah, that's really good. Oh, yeah, the way, oh yeah, that's really good. So guys, that is, wow, that's good. Hold on.
See?
Mm.
Chicken adobo.
That was so easy to make. That was called adobo? How long did that take to make total? Like
think we
cook
did it
time and everything, half an
30
hour?
minutes? Yeah.
That's amazing. Now this is really good. So if you're looking for something you can whip up quick, see, she's telling you all about. If you're looking for something you can whip up real quick, that's absolutely delicious. This is it. Metci, thank you very much.
Thank you, Uncle D.
Now, duck in here. Metci has a channel too. It's called
Metci K. Please hit like and subscribe.
Yeah, I'll put a link in so you can see it. Okay, guys. Well, thanks very much. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.